Welcome to your Sleep Blissful Morning Ritual, where you can develop a daily wellness habit for your health and happiness. My name is Barbara Badolati, and I created this video so that you can start your day in a powerful way. Hello. This video is to demonstrate the 5 Tibetan rites. My name is Barbara Badolati, and I'm extending my arms out. Your left palm stays facing up, your right palm faces down. You're going to spin clockwise 7 to 21 times. If you're new to this, you may want to just start with a few times, but eventually work your way up to 21 times. And you want to breathe, and if you can, focus on a spot to spin. That won't make you so dizzy. When you complete that, just take nice deep breaths. I pointed my index fingers here. You can do that as well. The second Tibetan rite will be on your back. You can keep your knees bent during this if you need to, or to protect your lower back. You can slide your palms underneath your sacrum area, and palms down will help to do that. You're going to extend your legs, and when you bring your legs up, flex your ankles, and if you can bring your forehead to your thighs, go ahead and do that. When you inhale, your legs are going to extend out, pointing the feet. And you're going to do that 7 to 21 times, depending on what your ability is, knowing that you're going to continue to strengthen and be able to get to 21. And when that is completed, I kind of added in some spinal rolls, but you don't have to do this. It just massages the back. It helps to massage the nervous system a little bit. I'm coming into the butterfly cobbler pose just because it's a nice hip opener. So if you want to do that, you can. And then again, when you complete the second Tibetan rite, you're just going to take a couple of nice deep breaths before you move into the third one. The third Tibetan rite is on your knees. So if you need to put something between your ankles and your bottom, or put something under the feet, the tops of the feet, you can do that. You're going to do a back bend, and then you're going to curve your spine, kind of like cat and cow. So if you can bring your head back, go ahead and do that. If it's not healthy for your neck, you can modify by just keeping your face looking forward. Otherwise, inhale back, exhale as you curve, and do that 7 to 21 times. Again, really honoring your body, doing what you can, continuing to build up to 21. And when that's complete, again, 2 nice deep breaths. Moving into the fourth Tibetan rite, which is reverse table and staff pose. So you can put your palms down, fingertips facing towards your feet, or you could even set up on your fist. And then you can also flex your feet when your bottom slides back, and you can sit for a moment if you need to do that. So you're going to inhale in reverse table, exhale as you slide back, coming into staff pose. I'm going a little bit fast here in this video, so you can always slow it down. Again, 7 to 21 times. And once that's complete, you'll come into staff pose, just sitting down on the ground. Again, palms down, feet flexed or ankles flexed, and a couple of nice deep breaths. Coming then into the fifth Tibetan rite. So I'm going to explain a little bit afterwards what all of this means and the benefits to them. The fifth Tibetan rite is down dog and up dog. So here I'm in down dog, and then inhaling into up dog, exhaling down dog, and again, whatever modifications you need for your body. And you can always check with your physician too if you want to make sure that this is safe for you. So again, 7 to 21 times. This video I'm doing 12. I thought that was a nice happy medium there for everybody. And The Tibetan rites have been around for probably 2,500 years. They are reportedly created by the Tibetan monks, leaders of the Tibetan Buddhism. And this ancient yoga practice consists of these 5 exercises. I perform them in the morning. I've been doing this ever since I went to a retreat where we did this every single morning. In 1998, I attended this retreat and have been doing this ever since. And then I close this. You can stand or be on your knees. I just kind of spiral above my head, that 7th chakra clockwise, the 6th chakra, your 3rd eye clockwise, indigo color, the throat chakra, blue, and all that represents, down to the heart chakra, green, opening my heart, being clear with that energy center, into the solar plexus, yellow, above the navel, my will, down below the navel, the sacral chakra, the 2nd chakra, orange, your creativity, and then the final chakra, red, or at least the base chakra. And then I just sweep my arms up, moving that energy from the base chakra all the way out through the crown. I do that 3 times. You can do it how many ever times you want. And then I just take a few nice deep breaths and be aware of all of that energy and being at one, being grateful for myself. And then you can just come into a seated position. Maybe you come into a meditation, or maybe there's something else that is part of your morning practice. Thank you. This is Barbara Badolati with Be Well Retreats and barbarabadolati.com. And if you want more information, please visit my websites. There's a lot of nice YouTube videos that you can see on my channel. I'm happy to talk with you if you want to do a session or just want to message me. And I'm here for your well-being, for you to access your bliss. And I know that it's there and that you are here to live a vibrant and healthy life. And I hope that these 5 Tibetan rites will help you to do that. Thank you so much.